Alright, today's Monday. It is like, what is it? 1:14, and I'm at a total of 139. Alright, so I started the day off at about 8 a.m. and today's Monday, so as many trips as possible. Alright, I actually got a promo. I got a quest actually for Monday. Woohoo! It's about freaking time. It's only $65 if I make 60 rides, and I get $65. So. But I got something. Alright, the Monday, 139. Let's keep making this money. Alright, so it is 7:02. I made a total of 228 for today. For Monday, about like 20 something trips. Alright, I'm a little tired. I'm calling it in a little early today, so alright, we'll continue tomorrow, Tuesday. Alright, but I'm done for today. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's make this money. Alright, it is Tuesday, 6:27 in the morning. Looking at one of my favorite spots. Hold on, where is it? Starbucks, baby, Starbucks. Alright. Alright, it's really early. I woke up like at I think it was like 5 o'clock or 4 something, 4:40 something. I can't sleep. I couldn't sleep. But here I am, 6:27 in the morning. Alright, about to hit the road. Let's make this money. Alright, it's like 1:14. I'm over at the Chargers. Alright, I made a total of 170 something. Alright, for today. This is a Tuesday and it's only 1 o'clock. So, alright, today's gonna be today's a good day. Today's a good day. Actually, it's a lot better than Mondays. But Monday, I was supposed to go home because I was tired, but I didn't. I actually stayed working a little bit longer. But 176 for today, I think that's what it is. All right, let's keep it going. Let's make this money. All right, so I finished the day off today for Tuesday, 8:36, I think it was, and 2:59 for today. So, all right, good day. I think I took off from like 2 o'clock to like 5 or something like that. Yep, so about 5. All right, and I still made like $259. Anyway, good day today. All right, let's keep making this money. All right, 7:20 in the morning. My place, Starbucks. All right, it is Wednesday. It is Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. All right, let's make this money. All right, Wednesday. I finished the day off at about 9:10 with a total of 311. All right, 311 for Wednesday. For a Wednesday. And I actually took off again for about like 2 o'clock until about like 5 or something. So pretty good for a Wednesday. All right, let's keep it going. Let's see how much we make tomorrow, Thursday. Let's see how much money we make. All right, it is 8:14 in the morning. All right, today is Thursday. Today's chill day. Besides yesterday, which was an over $300 day. All right, multi-up day. Let's make this money. It is 1 p.m. and I made a total of 132 for a Thursday. If you're making no money, that means you're not working. You're being really lazy. All right, Thursday. Let's keep going. Let's see how much we make for the rest of the day. All right, it is 7:17 p.m. Made a total of 295. I think I'm gonna go a little longer. Round it off to like 300 and something. It's only $5, so. All right, Thursday, 295. Let's keep it going. Let's make this money. All right, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. It is ACL event Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I'm not too worried about the ACL event because I'm still gonna make money even without it because that's at night. But Friday, watch me make this money. All right, it is 2 o'clock. I made a total of 167. And all right, so here comes the time where I gotta wait for the car to charge. Then I gotta pick up my daughter and stuff. So I'm gonna have a couple of hours off and still watch me make this money. All right, finish the day off at about 8 o'clock with a total of like 239 and like 20 something trips. But yeah, don't matter. Let's see how much we make tomorrow for tomorrow Saturday. Let's make this money. It is 8:24 in the morning over at Starbucks. All right, Saturday, still the ACL event is going on. Yesterday was only like a 240 day, but today is going to be, I don't know. I think the event starts at about 3 o'clock. But all right, let's see how much money we make today. Let's make this money. All right, it's I think I finished about midday, actually about 2 p.m. All right, and I'm at a total of like I think like 176 for Saturday. All right, we got the ACL promo going, but I really want to get this quest going, so I'm gonna do deliveries from now on. All right, let's make this money. All right, it is like 10:20 or something like that. I made a total of 316 for a Saturday. Tomorrow's gonna be a good day, so tomorrow is where everything finishes off, the quest promos, whatever, all that stuff, and then everything kind of just adds up. So all right, 316 for Saturday. All right, let's see how much we make tomorrow. Let's make this money. All right, finish the day off today. 9 hours, 22 minutes, and 364. That's like $38 an hour or something like that. Pretty good for a Saturday. No, not for a Saturday, for a Sunday. And for the rest of the week, I made what is it, like $2,064 or 2,000 something dollars for the rest of the week. $2,000 a week. All right. Really good week. Monday, as always, strategy. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, always same strategy. Okay, then we have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, which each one of those has their own strategies. All right, but again, I'm giving these things for free. If you guys can't figure it out how to make it 2,000 a week by me giving you all these freebies in my videos, then bro, you're being lazy. Okay, see you next week. Let's see how much money we make.